Buying a home is really exciting, but there's a list of things that nobody warns you about until you have the keys. We're spilling all of it on this week's Team Tuesday.
Hey guys, welcome back. I'm Reece and this is Christina. Zillow asked over 4,600 first-time homeowners what surprised them most about owning a home. The answers were honest, sometimes painful, and worth sharing.
Not to scare anybody, just so you go in with realistic expectations.
So number one, maintenance. The amount, the cost, and how it never stops. A Zillow survey found 32% of buyers had buyer's remorse because their home needed more work than they expected.
Right, we've all been there. When you're a renter, you call the landlord. When you're an owner, you look in the mirror.
Yeah, exactly.
And you are the landlord. So pro tip, set aside 1 to 2% of your home's value every year for maintenance. On a $400,000 home, that's about $4,000 to $8,000 a year.
Number two, your monthly payment isn't actually fixed.
Principal and interest are fixed, but property taxes and insurance are baked into those, and those are adjustable. We've seen insurance jump 20 to 30% in a year recently.
Yeah, it can add up. So don't max out your budget on day one. You want to leave some breathing room.
Absolutely. Number three, neighbors can make or break your experience.
Very true. The house can be perfect, the neighborhood can look great online, but the people next door may determine your daily quality of life,
Right.
and they might not jive well with your vibe. So visit at different times, Friday night, Saturday morning, Sunday evening, walk around, say hi.
It's good advice. You can change paint colors, you can renovate kitchens, you can't change who lives next door to you.
Number four, you need to know how your house works. Where's the water shut off?
Right.
The gas shut off? The breaker box? All of these things are important for you to know.
Absolutely. When a pipe bursts at 11 o'clock on a Saturday, it's really important, and you will need to know where that shutoff is before the water hits the carpet.
When you move in, walk the house with your inspection report, find every shutoff. Your inspector should also do this for you during
Right.
that process of the purchase. But go through, label things, and check in yearly.
Yeah, absolutely. And number five, maintenance isn't a one and done kind of thing. Annual furnace and AC services need to happen annually. Gutters should be done at least twice a year. Dryer vents are something to consider, and your water heater should also be maintained every year. These are great reminders.
Number six, every house has quirks and it takes a couple of years to learn them. Here in Western Colorado, we get cold snaps. The first winter in a new house, you learn what your house needs.
Absolutely. Now let's flip it, because most of these surprises were actually positive, right?
Awesome. Homeowners overwhelmingly said the satisfaction outweighed the headaches. One person in the article put it this way: when the stock market goes down, your money's gone. When the housing market goes down, you still have a home and a roof over your head.
Right, absolutely. Your home is a place to live first and an investment second.
And there's the pride, replacing a faucet, painting a room the color you actually want to paint it. As a homeowner, every improvement is yours.
So what's the big takeaway?
Go in with eyes open. Don't max your budget, build a maintenance fund, and get a great team behind you
Right.
through that process so you're well informed. Meet the neighbors, also a good thing
Yes,
to do.
absolutely. And work with people who'll be honest with you, not just people who get you to closing. Give us a call at 970-589-7700.
Thanks for watching Team Tuesday. Have a great day.
Bye.